Have you ever looked around your living space at 2 in the morning, stared at a mountain of clutter overflowing from your closet, or drowning your kitchen counters, and felt an overwhelming urge to completely transform your home? It happens to all of us. And if you have ever spent hours scrolling through social media, watching satisfying clips of people turning chaotic pantries, exploding drawers, and tiny closets into pristine, color-coded, luxury-looking spaces, you know how addictive home organizing videos can be. The internet is completely packed with viral space-saving claims, promising that a few dollar store tension rods, clear acrylic bins, or clever folding tricks can magically double your storage space overnight. Today, we are putting the absolute biggest viral home organization hacks and storage secrets to the test, separating the actual space-saving genius from the frustrating internet myths so you can turn your home into an effortless, clutter-free sanctuary. Let us kick off our testing challenge with one of the most famous closet space-saving tricks on the internet, which is the soda can tab hanger hack. The claim sounds like pure genius, asserting that you can double your closet hanging space for $0 simply by sliding a metal soda can tab over the top hook of a standard clothes hanger, creating a secondary hole where you can loop a second hanger directly beneath the first one. When we put this to the test, the visual results were actually impressive, as cascading 5 or 6 shirts vertically down a single hanging point freed up massive amounts of horizontal rod space. However, we quickly discovered a huge catch that nobody talks about on social media, because if you try this trick with heavy winter coats or thick hoodies, the extra weight can bend cheap plastic hangers or snap the thin metal tabs. To make this viral hack a complete success, stick strictly to lightweight items like t-shirts, tank tops, and thin button-down shirts, or invest in inexpensive velvet cascading hooks, which gives you that exact same vertical space-saving power without risking a clothes avalanche on your closet floor. Moving from the closet straight into the kitchen, our second viral test tackles the chaotic monster hiding under almost every sink, which is the under-sink cleaning supply disaster. Between spray bottles, spare sponges, trash bags, and scrub brushes, that deep, dark cabinet under the sink usually turns into a chaotic black hole where products go to disappear forever. The viral hack promises that by mounting a basic spring-loaded curtain tension rod across the top inside of the cabinet, you can hang all your spray bottles by their triggers along the rod, leaving the entire floor of the cabinet completely open for storage bins. Putting this trick to the test produced an immediate 10 out of 10 win for functional storage, because hanging 6 or 7 heavy spray bottles from the tension rod instantly freed up the entire bottom surface of the cabinet. To keep the tension rod from slipping down the smooth cabinet walls when loaded with heavy liquids, make sure you twist the rod until it fits super snugly against the sides, or place 2 small adhesive wall hooks right underneath the ends of the rod to act as permanent weight-bearing ledges. While we are in the kitchen, we have to test one of the most satisfying visual trends on the internet, which is the clear acrylic bin and decanting craze for pantries and fridges. Viral videos make it look like pouring all your cereal, pasta, snacks, and produce into matching clear containers with custom labels is the ultimate key to living an organized life. When we tested this system, there was no denying how insanely aesthetic and satisfying it looked, as seeing all your food neatly aligned in transparent containers instantly gives your kitchen a high-end luxury feel. However, we quickly realized that decanting every single item you buy from the grocery store can actually add a ton of annoying maintenance time to your weekly routine, especially when you have leftover food that does not quite fit into the designated jar. The ultimate compromise for a realistic, low-maintenance home is selective decanting, where you only pour bulk staples like flour, sugar, rice, and pasta into clear, airtight canisters, while using wide, open-top fabric or wire bins to hold bagged snacks, boxes, and pouches intact. Next up, we are taking on the dreaded deep dresser drawer, specifically testing the viral file folding method versus the traditional flat stacking method for clothing. For decades, most of us have stacked our folded t-shirts, jeans, and sweaters on top of each other in tall piles, which means whenever you want the shirt sitting at the very bottom of the drawer, pulling it out causes the entire stack to collapse into a messy, wrinkled pile. The file folding hack claims that by folding your clothes into tight, flat rectangles and standing them upright side by side like files in a filing cabinet, you can see every single shirt you own at a single glance without disturbing the rest of the drawer. Testing this method proved to be an absolute game changer for daily bedroom routine, because standing your shirts vertically not only allows you to pick out any outfit in 2 seconds flat, but it actually compresses the fabric so efficiently that you can fit up to 40% more clothes into the exact same drawer space. Now, let us test a brilliant spatial hack for tiny bedrooms and apartments, which is the stealth underbed storage system. The space underneath your bed is often one of the largest unused areas in your entire home. But if you just shove loose boxes, shoes, and stray items under the mattress, it creates a dusty, chaotic mess that is impossible to clean around. The viral hack suggests buying low-profile rolling plastic bins with split-hinged lids, or creating custom wooden rolling crates out of old drawers and using them exclusively for out-of-season items like heavy winter blankets, extra bed linens, and bulky coats. When we tested this setup, adding smooth rolling wheels to underbed storage containers completely transformed the functionality of the space, allowing the bins to glide out effortlessly on both carpet and hardwood without scratching the floors. To keep your out-of-season clothes smelling fresh and protected from dust while stored under the bed, always toss a small cedar wood ring or a scented dryer sheet inside each bin before sliding it out of sight. Shifting our attention to the bathroom, we tested the viral Lazy Susan turntable hack for deep corner cabinets and high medicine shelves. Deep cabinets in bathrooms and pantries are notorious for creating lost zones, where small bottles of lotion, bottles of shampoo, and cleaning products get pushed into the dark back corners and forgotten for months until you accidentally buy duplicates. The internet claims that placing a simple rotating Lazy Susan turntable inside these deep cabinets instantly eliminates dead space by bringing the back of the shelf directly to the front with a gentle spin. Testing this trick was an absolute revelation for daily functionality, because being able to rotate a turntable to grab a bottle of lotion or hair product stops you from knocking over 5 other bottles in the process. For maximum stability inside bathroom cabinets, look for turntables with raised outer rims and non-skid rubber feet, which prevents tall bottles from tipping over or sliding off the edges when you give it a fast spin. Another viral organization challenge that frequently pops up on social media is the tension rod divider hack for baking sheets, cutting boards, and tray cabinets. In most kitchens, flat cooking items like cookie sheets, cutting boards, and muffin tins are stacked horizontally on top of each other in a deep lower cabinet, forcing you to lift a heavy, noisy stack of metal pans every single time you need to grab the single cutting board sitting at the bottom. The viral hack suggests installing 3 or 4 vertical spring tension curtain rods vertically between the top and bottom shelves of a cabinet, creating narrow vertical stalls where you can store your baking sheets and trays standing upright on their edges. When we tested this vertical divider system, it completely revolutionized how fast we could access our kitchen gear, turning a loud, frustrating daily struggle into a completely silent, effortless, one-handed operation. Moving on to a genius hack for managing small accessories, we tested the shower curtain ring organizer trick for scarves, belts, baseball caps, and tank tops. Trying to keep dozens of belts, scarves, or hats organized in drawers usually leads to a tangled ball of straps that takes up way too much space. The viral solution recommends taking a pack of cheap metal or plastic circular shower curtain rings, snapping them onto the bottom bar of a single sturdy coat hanger, and threading your accessories through the rings. During our live testing, this $5 craft was a massive success, allowing us to neatly display up to 15 baseball caps or scarves on a single hanger without a single item getting wrinkled, tangled, or lost on the floor. Whoa. To make sure your home organization transformations stay pristine and functional long after the initial excitement wears off, implementing a few simple daily maintenance rules is key. The biggest reason organized systems fall apart over time is that people create overly complicated setups that require too many steps to put an item away, leading to instant clutter buildup. When designing your storage zones, always follow the 2-step rule, ensuring that putting an item away takes no more than 2 simple actions, such as dropping a remote into an open basket or hanging a coat on a wall hook. Creating low-friction drop zones for high-traffic areas, like placing a wide woven basket near the front door for shoes and bags, gives every family member an effortless landing spot for their stuff, keeping your main living spaces clean and peaceful without any constant nagging. Taking a quick moment to address the psychological side of organizing, completing a room transformation challenge is about so much more than just having pretty, aesthetic cabinets that look great in photos. Decluttering your physical environment directly reduces visual stress, lowers daily decision fatigue, and saves you precious time every morning when you are getting ready for school or work. By systematically testing viral ideas, keeping the smart functional solutions that actually fit your daily routine, and tossing out the overly complicated or flimsy gimmicks, you can create a customized, stress-free home environment that supports your real life. Taking those first small steps towards simplifying your surroundings often triggers a powerful domino effect throughout your entire household. Once you experience how effortless your morning routine becomes when your clothes are file-folded, your accessories are neatly displayed, and your daily essentials have a clear, dedicated home, you will naturally feel inspired to tackle other neglected spaces like that chaotic hallway closet or the dreaded junk drawer. Organizing stops feeling like a tedious chore and transforms into an empowering, creative project where you continuously refine your environment to work for you rather than against you. Each small victory builds momentum, turning your home into a harmonious sanctuary where every room feels open, functional, and completely stress-free. Ultimately, a well-organized home is not about achieving rigid, picture-perfect perfection, but rather about creating a flexible space that easily adapts to the beautiful chaos of everyday life. When your storage systems are intuitive and simple to maintain, keeping your space clean requires minimal effort, leaving you with far more time to relax, unwind, and enjoy your free time. By embracing smart spatial hacks and tailoring them to fit your unique lifestyle, you build a supportive backdrop for your daily routine that fosters productivity, peace, and comfort. So take pride in every drawer you organize and every shelf you streamline, knowing that each small upgrade brings you one step closer to a happier, healthier living space. At the end of the day, winning the viral home organization challenge is all about combining clever spatial hacks with simple, sustainable habits that make your home feel open, airy, and entirely yours. Whether you choose to file fold your clothes, hang your spray bottles on a tension rod, or organize your accessories on shower rings, small changes in your storage systems quickly add up to a massive upgrade in your daily quality of life. So grab a few storage bins, pick a chaotic drawer or closet to conquer, test out these awesome hacks for yourself, and go turn your home into an organized, stress-free oasis today. Beyond the immediate satisfaction of opening a perfectly arranged closet or pulling a smooth drawer open, maintaining an organized home creates a lasting sense of calm and clarity that flows into every other area of your life. When your living space is clear of physical chaos, your mind naturally relaxes, giving you more time, energy, and mental focus to devote to the things that truly matter. You do not need a huge budget, a massive house, or professional organizers to enjoy the peace of a streamlined space. With just a few smart tricks, a little bit of weekend motivation, and the willingness to let go of what you no longer need, any room can become a comfortable, inspiring haven that welcomes you home every single day.